A life-threatening pandemic shook the entire humanity, trapped the whole world, compelled humans to distance themselves from each other, shattered all the systems in place since centuries. As if life got still, the battle against COVID started globally to prevent it, to stop it. Many preventive measures were envisaged, amongst which the first and foremost important was the lockdown.
आज के फैसले ने, देशव्यापी लॉकडाउन ने आपके घर के दरवाजे पर एक लक्ष्मण रेखा खींच दी है। आपको ये याद रखना है कि घर से बाहर पड़ने वाला आपका सिर्फ एक कदम कोरोना जैसी गंभीर महामारी को आपके घर में ले आ सकता है।
And Lakshman Rekhas were drawn at every doorstep. To arrest the spread of infection, most of the activities were stopped and movements were restricted. Consequently, city infrastructures along with large workforce became idle. On the other hand, the pandemic gave rise to many problems, which required immediate solutions, and one of them was transport. Surat Municipal Corporation has implemented their Mool Mantra, Bahujan Hitai, Bahujan Sukhai. Identifying the forthcoming crucial time, SMC came up with innovative solutions through its transportation arm, City Link. The establishment had infrastructure spread over every corner of the city and highly dedicated and skilled staff. City Link bus network, which has been providing transport facilities to the citizens of Surat during routine times, was now diverted to COVID emergency services. City Link started providing pickup and drop services to all the Corona warriors coming from neighboring Navsari district, such as SMC staff, all doctors, nurses, blood donors and entire staff of Akshay Patra Food Distribution. City Link buses were also used to carry food supplies to stranded citizens. Buses were also deployed to transport Corona suspects from hotspot area to Samras Quarantine Facility Center and back to home after completion of quarantine period. The ever-increasing number of suspects or patients created a huge demand for ambulances. This, coupled with requirement of sanitization of the vehicles after each trip, added to the shortfall. Hence, to cope up with this high but temporary trend, SMC came up with never-before solution. Some of the CityLink buses were converted into ambulances. Also, in order to implement strategy of increased testing, it was observed that massive area of Surat city, its population spread and distance was creating difficulty in bringing suspects to the laboratory for testing. To resolve these issues, it was decided to go and collect samples in cities by visiting hotspots and clusters. But the question was, how? Once again, the City Link came forward as troubleshooter, and some of the buses were converted into COVID-19 mobile sample collection unit, which satisfied the WHO COVID-19 guidelines. As a result, screening and testing of citizens related to coronavirus became faster, and the risk of infection was minimized. At one point of time, government arranged special Shramik trains to facilitate lakhs of migrant workers in Surat who desired to go to their hometown. Again, the issue was private vehicles were not allowed and public transport or auto rickshaws were not operational. How do the migrants reach the railway station in such a situation? The solution was provided again by City Link. By providing buses in large numbers and required time and place to transport migrants from different parts of the city or district to the railway station. It has done about 334 trips and picked up from 34 pickup points from almost every corner of Surat and nearby villages and dropped them to the railway station safely, securely and in time. And that too without any charge or fare. In addition, SMC did medical checkup of each of these migrant persons before boarding the bus, provided food packets and water too, all along with social distancing. City Link had transported more than 7 lakh migrants to 449 trains and helped them to reach their destinations. City Link became a life link which connected the city mates with their soulmates. Most importantly, not only during this period but quite before lockdown also, City Link had taken several precautionary steps with great sense of responsibility, such as sanitization of buses before every trip, sanitization of entire bus stand and surroundings, health checkup of bus drivers and conductors on regular basis, implementation of COVID-19 guidelines by staff during duty hours, and awareness activities amongst passengers through various mediums. Surat Municipal Corporation City Link has performed punctually as a driving force, safest soulmate, and the life link of the city. The City Link Network, determined to drive the city towards victory.